I'm going to walk you through how to buy NFTs in Australia and New Zealand. Be sure to like and subscribe for our latest content and stick around to the end for our exclusive viewer offers. NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token. Fungible is a term used to describe an item as replaceable or interchangeable. NFTs, being non-fungible, means that they could represent something specific, whether that be digital or physical. This means things like art, music, collectibles, even real estate can be tokenized and owned. When someone creates, mints, or buys an NFT, it exists in their blockchain wallet, and therefore ownership can be inferred. NFTs have relatively limited use cases at the moment, but every day people are discovering new uses for them. It won't be long until they're a part of everyday life. What's the best app to buy crypto in Australia and New Zealand? We use Independent Reserve. It is one of Australia's oldest and most trusted crypto exchanges. Their mobile app makes the process of buying crypto, securing your wallet, and tracking your portfolio a breeze. Independent Reserve is our choice over the likes of CoinSpot, SwiftX, or BTC markets. Independent Reserve has some of the lowest fees in the industry, starting from 0.5%. With the competition, you would pay around 2 to 10 times more per transaction. You wouldn't pay 2 to 10 times more for petrol, so why pay 2 to 10 times more in crypto fees? Independent Reserve is an inclusive exchange catering to everyone from beginners to expert investors, businesses, and self-managed super funds. They offer 24/7 support and world-class certified secure underground vaults to protect your crypto. The mobile app is super easy to use and includes some powerful tools such as dollar cost averaging, buy and sell limit orders through to stop loss mechanics. They have partnered with KPMG to develop their built-in tax estimator to make managing your tax records a breeze. How to buy NFTs. To purchase NFTs, the first step is to purchase Ethereum or any other NFT tradable token. Click the link in the description below to see a full list of coins that can be traded for NFTs. To buy NFTs, we recommend using a desktop, as it makes the process easier by using a Google Chrome extension to help complete your NFT purchase. Today, I'll be using Ethereum as the token to trade for NFTs. So, log into your Independent Reserve trading account. Once logged in, to purchase Ethereum, click the Buy Sell tab on the top menu bar and then click Buy Ethereum on the right-hand side of the token. From here, enter the amount you want to purchase. Today, I'll be purchasing $50 of Ethereum to trade NFTs with. Click Buy Ethereum for it to be processed. It's as simple as that. The next step is to send those tokens to metamask.io. To do that, set up a MetaMask account from your Google Chrome browser. From the MetaMask website, click Install on the Google Chrome extension pop-up. Once it's installed, follow the steps to set up a new wallet. When the wallet has been set up, simply copy the wallet address by clicking the Copy to Clipboard button under the account name. Now the wallet address has been copied, come back over to Independent Reserve and click the Accounts tab on the top menu bar. From here, simply click Withdraw on the right of Ethereum. Go ahead and enter the amount of Ethereum you want to trade NFTs with, and paste in the code that was copied earlier into the destination address section. The last step is to link the MetaMask wallet with OpenSea, which is the NFT trading platform we're using today. Head to the OpenSea homepage and click the wallet icon on the top right icon bar. Select MetaMask and follow the steps to link the wallet. It's as easy as that. You will now be able to buy and sell NFTs on OpenSea using tokens linked through MetaMask. Mamma mia! It's as simple as that to purchase an NFT. we have partnered with Independent Reserve on an exclusive offer of a $10 credit to our viewers. Click the link in the description to claim your $10 credit today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Tell us what you're planning to invest in. See you next time.